While giants like Sigiriya and Pidurangala capture the tourist spotlight, Talkote offers a tranquil escape, a place to truly immerse yourself in Sri Lanka's natural beauty. Today, Thalkote serves as a sanctuary for both locals and adventurous travelers alike. Whether gliding across the water on a traditional boat, exploring the surrounding forest by bike, or simply basking in the golden hues of a breathtaking sunset, Talkote offers an experience unlike any other. Legend whispers of Thalkote's connection to Pidurangala, the ancient rock fortress. Some believe the small canals etched into the cliff face served not just as a defensive moat, but also as a water collection system, feeding the very lifeblood of this lake. But Talkote's significance extends far beyond its scenic beauty. This ecosystem is a vital haven for diverse flora and fauna, a delicate balance that demands our respect and preservation. As we explore the wonders of Talkote Lake, let us remember the responsibility we share in protecting this irreplaceable treasure.